So yeah, I was at my psychologist's office the other day to see my shrink, and I'm talking about stuff, and he says to me, "You should see a shrink." And I said, "What?" He said, "You should see a shrink."
We're in trouble.
I said,
I
"What?"
just checked with the guys at the Jewish house, and they said that every one of our answers on the
He
site
said,
were wrong.
"You should see a shrink." And I said, "What?"
Must have stolen the wrong exam.
He said, "You should see a shrink."
Okay, look what just.
So I said,
Well,
"You are a shrink." And he was like, "Oh yeah."
In fraternities on probation.
I was like, "You fucking Stugats." He was like, "Hey, shut your mouth, you stupid dumb hippie." Yeah, but how about the Yanks though, huh? This is gonna be Joe D's last year though, right? We both laughed. Why don't you go see a shrink? I'm in the shrink's office right now. You're the shrink.